Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. We will now be chanting a beautiful, healing hooponopono mantra. Hooponopono mantra and cleaning tool that we will now be reciting has a great power to leave you feeling more relaxed than before, more peaceful than before, more clearer than before, and most importantly, more stronger than before. Why is this important? Because if you come from a state of peace, power, relaxation, and clarity, whatever solutions you are looking for will come to you on their own without you having to try too hard. Let's begin. Take a comfortable position, close your eyes. Let's spend the next 1 minute simply focusing on our breath. Notice the incoming and the outgoing of your breath. Try to sit comfortably. Make sure there is no tension in any part of your body. This allows your mind and body both to come into a deep sense of alignment, which proves to be very healing for your mind, your body, and your spirit. You may place both your palms on your chest. Try to notice and witness your own heartbeat. You may even think of yourself as a little child. Whatever image of your childhood comes up, allow it to come up. Breathe slowly and deeply. This will help you feel a deeper sense of connection with your own self. Now, start repeating the following words with me. Thank you. I love you. 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 Let's keep a smile on our face and continue repeating these healing, cleaning words. Thank you. I love you. 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 Feel the energy of these words. Feel your own heartbeat. Connect with your own inner child by holding on to a smile on your face. Whatever image of your own self is coming up in your mind, relating to your own childhood, allow it to come. Smile as you look at your own self. Even if thoughts of a situation or person that is troubling you in any way come up, just continue doing the chanting. Continue repeating with me. Thank you. I love you. 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 Let's take a deep breath. Breathe in with a smile. Breathe out with a smile. Let every part of your being vibrate with the energy of these words. Thank you. I love you. 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 Let's take a deep breath. Inhale with a smile. Exhale with a smile. Relax. Let's spend the next few moments in silence, continuing to feel a deep sense of connection with our own selves. When you connect with yourself, the past no longer continues to be a problem for us. Instead, it becomes a great friend that guides us in our present and future moments. This chanting will allow you to make friends with your past instead of resisting it in any way. Repeat this chant whenever you find yourself becoming anxious for anything happening around you or within you. These words will cleanse you, heal you, support you, encourage you, show you the way forward. Remember, life is all about what you do with your current situation in the present moment. Repeat these cleaning words. Connect with yourself on a daily basis, and you will come out more stronger, more peaceful, more successful than before. I hope you enjoyed this special Ho'oponopono meditation. Here's wishing you lots of success and miracles ahead. Subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos and meditation tools. Like and share this video with others. Help us spread joy. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja, wishing you all the very best. Namaste.